So the video you have just seen is a video from the YouTube guys on YouTube, and was giving you a very quick and fast overview about the features of YouTube Live and how to set up an event. And I'm using YouTube Live right now, as you can see, and I want to dive a bit more into the details of YouTube live streaming. Also, I'm using Wirecast during this stream to have some like transition effects and stuff like that, to do screen sharing and all sorts of things. And you can use different encoders, and I will go into the details during the deep dive into the YouTube Live. So I will switch over to YouTube, to my channel, to show you how that looks like. So here we can see the YouTube page. I'm logged in, and to access the YouTube live features, first you have to do is to go to YouTube settings, and if you have 100 subscribers or more, you can click here on view additional features, and then you can see all the features that you are eligible for. And at the very bottom you can see there is live events, and for me it's already enabled. For you it will say either you're not eligible at this point because you don't have enough subscribers, or there will be a button where you can enable it. And once you click that enable button, it will take a while to get approval, but it doesn't take that long. For me it was like an hour or two, so it was pretty fast. And after that it should be green and you're ready to sorry, ready to go. And once it's enabled, you can go to a video manager up here and select live events. And as you can see, there is one event live right now, which is the one you're watching. But if you want to create a new event, you can go ahead and click on the button up here in the upper right corner to create a new live event. So you click that, and you will get a similar view like when you upload a video to YouTube. So you can enter a title for the video. So let's name it test in this case. Can give a short description, add tags and stuff like that. What's different to a regular YouTube video when you upload it is that you can define a start and end point for your event. So you can pick a date from the date picker, add a time, and your event will start at this desired time. And you can also add an end time for the event, the country and the time zone. And that's all about the basic settings. But there's more to it. You can also jump into the advanced settings here and have a bit more detailed control about your event. But then again, this is similar to when uploading a YouTube video. You can allow comments and all this stuff, the license, and what's different, I think, is the caption certification. So about the content of your live stream and the video, and you can disable embedding and stuff like that. You can enter the video location and the recording date. And what's similar to or different to other YouTube videos is that you can enable recording or disable recording. So when you disable recording, it will be just a live broadcast, but there won't be a recording. So this is just a one-time view, and after that, the video is gone. I mean, usually you want to have that enabled. Keep in mind the maximum is 4 hours. It's the same limit as for Hangouts on Air, so you can't go above that limit. And to enable DVR, that basically means that you're able to skip back while the event is running. So if you start watching right now, you can go back to start and watch the video, the live stream from the beginning, and can jump back to live whenever you want. This is similar to the Hangout on Air feature most of us have already seen. But you can disable that, so then only people are able to watch it live. So that together with like disable recording is like really for like just broadcasting. And also you can add a delay of 30 or 60 seconds, just in case something happens during live stream or whatever. You have a buffer of 30 or 60 seconds to jump in and to fix it. And and monetization, so you can enable you can monetize your video with like the regular stuff like TrueView ads or stuff like that. And if you have all that done, You can click on create event, and then we'll basically schedule it so all your subscribers can go and know that you're going to live stream. And here you can also select the bitrate of your video, so basically the resolution. So 1080p, 720p, 480p, down to 240p. I mean, since it's new and you all want to have the best resolution, you should go for 1080p. And once you selected that, you can select an encoder. So in my case, since I'm using Wirecast, I use Wirecast for YouTube. And there's a free version you can download for Windows and Mac. And that allows you to have the software on your computer where you can connect your camera to, have the transition effects and screen sharing and stuff like that. And will automatically, it will connect to your YouTube account, and then you can stream live content from Wirecast to YouTube. And in my case, I have the regular Wirecast version, and it has the same features. And as you're seeing, I can transition over to like this picture-in-picture mode, where I can show you up here the YouTube window while you still see me, or I can go back to the full screen view to just show me while I'm talking. So back to YouTube. Yeah, and it will automatically, as I said, connect, and you can then start streaming from Wirecast, and YouTube will pick it up and has a live stream. And imagine that, like Wirecast plus YouTube Live, you can basically set up Wirecast with like different cameras and videos and media files and stuff like that, and put everything together. It's like, yeah, I mean, Wirecast or TriCast and all those sorts of things. So you can really have a professional setup for your live event you want to stream. Yeah, you can also upload a thumbnail video, as you know from other programs. But if you don't have Wirecast or any other recorder, you can just leave it there and add, I think, add your webcam. I haven't played around with just the webcam support yet, but basically if you just have a webcam, it will work the same way. So you can just connect your webcam, and we'll pick up the video from your webcam, so you can stream it live as well. And you can also add, like within YouTube, several cameras and switch between them during your live event. So, and if you have set your cameras and stuff like that, then you have the live control room. We have all sorts of data to your video. You can enable preview and stuff like that, but I think I should show you that on the actual live stream, which we are watching right now. So we can see the peak concurrent times is 8. The duration, I can see that I'm live. I can sync it to the preview. You can set broadcast alerts. So whenever something happens, I can set one of those messages that will appear for the viewers so they know what is going on. So if I decide last minute that it's canceled, I can display this canceled message, or that the event will start delayed, that I rescheduled it ended early, or we had technical difficulties and we should try again later. You can also add slates to your live event, or even ads. But for ads, you have to enable that first before you create the event. And then you have a public view where you can control what the public is seeing. And you can also see the comments. And Gervin is asking where my lower third is. Unfortunately, I haven't enabled the lower third here in Wirecast. But I can do that real quick. If you bear with me a second, can add that, and then we add a new media file. Image. Sorry. Whoops, no, it's gone. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? There we go. So there we have it. There's my lower third with Wirecast the same way as I have it in Hangouts regular. on a regular basis. So yeah, and at the beginning you were seeing the slides, so I can also add pictures to the event. In this case, I hadn't had the microphone enabled on this slide. Or as you were seeing at the beginning, you can also add video files to Wirecast. But let's get back to YouTube. So as I was saying, you have this live control room where you can see your stream status and stuff like that. So that's really, really cool. I really like it. You can watch it on your page. So if I go there, I can see the live player. I can see 7 watching now. So that's really great. And yeah, I will definitely play more with that and like see how it works with like Hangout integration and probably Skype calls and stuff like that. And yeah, thanks for watching. I look forward to what more people are doing with YouTube Live, since it's now available for more and more people with at least 100 subscribers. And yeah, YouTube seems to add more and more features to regular users. There are still some extra features for partners or people with more subscribers. And yeah, stay tuned for more, and I look forward to more and more live streams. Thanks for watching.